Hey guys, and welcome to IAmBeautifulHustler TV. Today I'll be doing a natural wig install on myself, and today's wig is provided by VipWigs. First of all, they sent me over this beautiful 24-inch curly wig. It is a 13x6. It comes with a strap and combs in the inside. Very natural, 13x6, pre-plucked hairline and everything like that. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial and stay tuned. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be installing my VIP wig, and this is a beautiful curly wig. It's a 24-inch. It's really long. I love this wig. It came pre-plucked. I just did a little more plucking, like behind the hairline. I went ahead and added my foundation color in the inside. I did not use any lace tint for today, but I did use the Ruby Kisses foundation in level 15, and I used a darker shade, and I went ahead and applied that foundation all in the inside of my lace and also on the top of my lace as well. This wig does come with the scraps in the inside, so I will be doing a glueless install. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Stay tuned and let's get to it. So the first thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and place that scrap in the back of my nape area, and then I'm going to go ahead and pull the back combs underneath my stocking cap and braids to secure the wig in the back, and then I'm going to go ahead and pull that wig and adjust it to my hairline in the front, so I can begin to cut off that extra lace and tack down my wig. Now I will be doing a glueless install for today, and I will be using the Bio Silk hairstyling spray to actually tack down my wig. Now today I will be cutting off the lace section by section as I secure my lace on down. And I'm just going to go ahead and start with the center half of my forehead, and then I'm going to cut off the extra sides, cut off the lace and just tack it down with that spray section by section until my whole entire wig has been secured. This video here is very beginner friendly. Like if you are not too good at applying wigs or not so familiar with using lace glue, you can do this method and it should be easier. I try to make it as simple as possible. That way it's not too difficult if you are not, like I said, so good with applying your wigs. So this is why I wanted to bring you this glueless method and just show you how you can go section by section and tack down your wigs. But now that I have went ahead and applied most of the first half of my head, you want to make sure you do go in and cut off that extra lace behind, on the side around your ear, so your wig can lay flat and comfortable and your lace is not on top of your ear. So make sure you do cut off that extra lace around the ear tabs. And I'm just going to continue to use that Bio Silk, spraying it underneath the lace and on top of the lace if necessary, just coming back all of that hair out the way, using my fingertips to melt the lace into that spray and the blow dryer as well. So now that I have completed one side of my head, I'm going to begin to work my way on the other side, still going in those little small sections, cutting off that lace and then tacking down that wig with that bio silk. So I'm just going to continue to do the same steps that I did on the other side, spraying that bio silk underneath the lace and a little bit on top as well, using my fingers and that blow dryer to push that lace in and blow dry it till it is stuck. So now that my wig is completely tacked down, I'm just going to go ahead and part my hair. I was going to do a middle part at first, but I decided to just do a side part. Like I mentioned, this is a lace front wig, and it is a 13x6, so it has like a pretty good amount of parting space towards the top area. So I did decide to do like a higher side part. I usually do deep side parts, but I just, just to give a different look for those who don't like their parts so far over, I'm just going to do a highest side part. And now I'm just going to take my wax stick and apply that wax stick at the top area where my part is. And then after that, I will just go in with my hot comb and just, press those roots out a little bit more, just to give it a nice sleeker look. I did want a really like soft and natural look for today, so I'm not going to do any baby hair, but I am going to do like one little swoop like right where my side part is, just to kind of I was going with my natural hairline, but I just felt like I should just do a little swoop right there. So where I'm touching right there, I just would I would just swoop that little piece, and that would be all. But I'm not going to actually do like any cutting and swooping like how I usually do for baby hairs on this wig. Like I mentioned, I just really wanted to go for a more natural type of look. So now that I went ahead and did that, I'm going to take that Bio Silk once again and apply it ear to ear all over my hairline, and then tie down my hairline with my Beautiful Hustler melt belt. And while that's drying, I did go ahead and just wet my hair up, just using water only. I did not do the water and conditioner mix today. This is just only water. And here is what it looks like once I wet this wig completely. The curls are super pretty, and like I mentioned, this wig is super long. It's a 24-inch, and trust me guys, it is true to length. So now that I waited about 10 minutes and I did that, I just removed the Beautiful Hustler melt belt, and this is pretty much like a melted glueless look. So I try to stress to you guys, like even with or without glue, you should still be able to melt your lace. It's just all about technique and the things that you do. So here is this little part where I said I just want to swoop that just to give it a more natural look. So I actually did comb that hair styling spray out in that area, and I just kept the styling spray pretty much firm for the rest of it, because like I said, I just wanted to be natural and everything like that. And right now I'm just using my She Is Bomb Slick and Slay. It's an all-in-one hair gel, and I'm just taking a little bit of that gel and I just dip like the teeth of that comb into that gel, just to comb and swoop that one little piece that was bothering me right there. And that is literally the only thing I'm going to swoop, because I did not want any baby hairs. So now I'm just going to go ahead and clean up my part and conceal it, taking my black spray, laying my rat tail end in that part and spraying pretty much around that. And then I'm going to go back in with my Ruby Kisses foundation, my cream foundation in level 15, using the darker shade and just creating my like curved C part. So yeah, I'll just get a little bit closer because I couldn't really see what I was doing. But yeah, just conceal your part until you are satisfied with it. And then I'm just going to go back in once again with that Bio Silk, spraying it on the top of my parting area, just to make sure I sleek and get all those little hairs to lay down and be nice and neat. And like I mentioned, this is a natural wig install, very simple, quick and easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this easy little install. Here is some more footage I will be putting of this wig, and I want to thank you guys for tuning in once again to I Am Beautiful Hustler TV, and stay tuned for more updates. Till next time.